Hey guys, what's up? If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for clicking this video. Today I'm gonna bring you another hair care video, and I'm gonna show you how I'm taking care of my hair after having them in a protective style. So I had twist on for about a month and a half. So if you want to learn how you can take care of your hair after you have those on, meaning that you want to restore your hair back to healthy and make sure that you get back its curl pattern, all of that, then keep on watching this video. As you guys can see, I already removed my twist, but if you guys are interested to see how do you remove twists or braids or locks, you can watch my last video. I'm gonna put a link up here. It's a 5-minute video, and so you can watch that before you watch this video, so you can know how to take down your twists or your braids. And now I'm just gonna show you how I take care of my hair once I remove my twists. So the very first step that we're gonna do is a pre-poo, and the reason why is because I am going to clean my hair a lot, since I cleaned it only once during the 1 month and a half that I had my braids. So as you guys can guess, there's a lot of product buildup, and I'm pretty sure there's a lot of dirt anyways that needs to come off. So since I'm gonna cleanse my hair a lot, I want to make sure that my hair is moisturized and that it's protected before I start cleaning my hair. And for this reason, we're gonna do a pre-poo. I'm gonna show you guys how do I do my DIY pre-poo. I look a little bit crazy, but it's okay. So before I actually apply the pre-poo, I am gonna apply some oil on my scalp because my scalp is really dry. So I like to apply some oil on my scalp right before I clean my hair. And the product that I'm gonna be using today for my scalp is this one. So I am done applying the scalp saver onto my scalp, and my scalp feels so good and so moisturized already. I love it. So now I'm gonna proceed and apply the pre-poo that I just made, and I'm also gonna detangle my hair. So I finally applied all the pre-poo on my hair, and to be honest, this pre-poo was the right combination of conditioner and oils because my hair feels so moisturized. It was so easy to detangle. So now I'm gonna put a plastic cap on, and then I'm just going to sleep overnight with the pre-poo, and tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning, I will wash my pre-poo, and then I'm gonna go on with my routine and the other steps for that video. Hey guys, so it is the next morning and I've had this on for the whole night, so it is time to rinse it. Before I hop into the shower and I rinse my pre-poo and I start applying some conditioner, shampoo, all that, I am going to prepare my homemade DIY protein treatment. And the reason why I'm going to do a protein treatment is because my hair has been not getting as much moisture as it usually does, and I feel like it might be a little bit fragile from being in those twists or those braids for all this time. So yeah, I'm going to do a homemade protein treatment. I'm going to show you what I put in. It's really simple. Those ingredients, you probably have them at home. All you need basically is eggs. Okay, so yeah, let me show you guys and then we can move on to the showering process. Okay guys, so now that we have our protein treatment ready, we are ready to start rinsing the braids and applying shampoo and cleanser. So I'm going to show you the two products that I'm going to use to cleanse my hair before I start with my protein treatment. This is basically a moisturizing milk cleanser, so it's gonna help with removing product buildup and cleanse my scalp and my hair real good. And it's not gonna strip my hair from its natural oil, so I really like this. But because my hair has been in those twists for a month and a half, it's dirty and it needs a lot of cleaning. So I'm gonna be using also a shampoo after that. And the shampoo that I'm using is from Shea Moisture. And yeah, we have everything ready to start. So I'm gonna remove the plastic caps that I had on for the whole night. Okay, so now I'm gonna remove my twist inside the shower with the hot water. You also want to use hot water because you want your cuticles from your hair to open, so that then when you put the protein treatment, everything gets in the hair, like inside the hair. Okay, let's move on to the shower. Alright guys, so I am done applying the protein treatment on my hair. As you guys could see, I worked with twist because it was much easier for me to work with my hair, make sure that it was detangled and that all my hair gets the product. And after I was done with my twist, I put a plastic cap on. And now I'm gonna chill for 20 minutes and then I will be back to rinse my hair, style my hair, and then that's it. Okay guys, so it has been 25 minutes that I have the protein treatment on, so now I'm gonna rinse my twist. And what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna work independently with each section of my hair. I'm gonna rinse out the product and then I'm gonna put it back into a twist, so that whenever I come out the shower and I apply the styling product, my hair is gonna be detangled already and separated. It's gonna be easier for me. Hey guys, so I'm finally out of the shower and now I am going to style my hair. So I'm gonna use 3 styling products for my hair, and I am also gonna use water that I put in a spray bottle. Then the first product that I'm gonna be using is from Camille Rose and it is the Leave-In Honey Hydrate. This product is amazing. If you guys watched my last video, you know that I love it. I highly recommend you to get this product if you struggle with dry hair. And then I'm gonna be using a curl enhancing smoothie. The one that I'm using is from Shea Moisture and it's from their line Coconut and Hibiscus. And lastly, I'm gonna seal the moisture in with some avocado oil. So I'm gonna grab a microfiber towel because I want to make sure that my hair is quite damp whenever I'm going to apply the products. And you guys, this is, I think, the first time that my hair is this soft and moisturized. Like, it feels so good. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply some water. You definitely want to make sure that your hair is damp enough. Then I'm going to apply only a little bit of the curl smoothie because it's pretty thick and I don't want my hair to be too heavy and I don't want to have crazy product buildup. And lastly, I am applying a little bit of oil. Same thing here, you don't want to apply too much oil so that your hair is not saturated with product. I'm going to apply a little bit more water because once again, I want the product to penetrate into my hair with the water. Lastly, I am going to brush my hair. And that's it, you guys. Look at the definition. Look how healthy my hair is. I'm super happy with the results, so you should definitely try this method to rehydrate your hair after a protective style. So now I'm gonna do the rest of my hair, and then I'm gonna show you the last section in the front so that you get to see again how do I apply the products, and then I'm going to wrap up this video. Alright guys, so I am done applying the product on my hair. As you can see, my hair is super defined. It's still white because of the product, so I'm hoping that this goes off whenever it dries. As you can see, my hair is super moisturized. I definitely restored the moisture back in after having my twist on for a month and a half. So I'm pretty happy. I have a great curl definition. I think my hair grew a little bit. It's hard for me to say because I did a mini chop, not a mini chop, but I trimmed my hair right before I actually did my twist. So yeah, that's why my hair was already a little bit short, and I would have to see a picture to see how much did my hair grow in this protective style. But I definitely can say that it grew a lot, so I am happy. I'll sneak in a picture here of my hair while it's dry because I'm gonna take pictures now, so you guys will get to see the result once my hair is completely dry and when there won't be any white product in my hair. But yeah, that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos like that, give me a thumb up, and comment down below any type of video that you want me to make for you guys. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much guys. Bye!